What I did notice as a complete side issue, these are the two cells out of the one that was supposed to be 1400 milliamp hours, and they've got a big spacer in between them. This is the two cells out of the one that's only 920 milliamp hours. These are much thicker batteries. I mean, maybe they're less densely packed, but it does rather give you the impression that perhaps these aren't as powerful as they're supposed to be, written on the outside of the pack. Same length, but significantly thinner. Hi guys, these are the insides, or the cells, out of two of the batteries for my Canon Powershot camera. They're already puffed, so they've had problems. That one's supposed to be 1400 milliamp hours, and that one's supposed to be 940 milliamp hours. I've measured the voltage, they're nothing like fully charged, but I'm just going to take them outside and short out the terminals and see what happens. I forgot to mention, it's night time, so it's dark out here, but it might help us see if there's any little sparks or flames. So let's try this one. Oh, we had a spark. But that was it. Give it a bit of time. Nothing much happening. Doesn't even feel warm. Let's try the other one. This is the one that was puffed up, or puffed up the most. Pretty disappointing, really. This is just for the benefit of those people who saw they were puffed in the earlier videos where I was taking them apart and were worried they were instantly going to burst into flames. Oh, that's me light gone out. Hang on. It's a motion sensor light. Well, yeah, we're not bursting into flames. We did have a little bit of a spark from the other one. Briefly. Yeah, just getting a tiny bit of a spark. There's a little bit of warmth in it. I'm afraid that's it. No exciting explosion. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.